Oh, hi there. Yeah, Mr. Armstrong's just asked me if I could tell you a little bit about ice wedging. He said you'd done some experiments on freezing ice and how it expands when it freezes. So ice wedging is something that happens sometimes with big rocks on rocky outcrops. So when it rains, sometimes bits of water might get caught in just the slightest little crack. And in frosts, like we had just the other day, we had 3 or 4 days of good frosts, and in the mountains, the frosts are even worse. But the water in these little cracks freezes and expands just a little bit, and that can open up the crack a little bit more. And the next day, more water goes further down, becomes ice. When it frosts over, spans out another little bit, about 9 or 10%, and then after a long period of time, that crack can get bigger and bigger. Now we're talking maybe 10 years or 100 years. That's a very short time for a rock, but eventually the whole rock can end up getting pushed apart gradually and slowly until you might have a big crack that goes a long way down. So this process of ice wedging is one way that rocks change, and it's all because water, when it freezes, it expands. So that's why I think you did that experiment the other day, to help you know about this thing called ice wedging in rocks.